Scoop it up and show them how to eat it the right way. Scoop it. If it won't stick, scoop it.
Valentino, do you keep staring at your brother? Then your brother is watching you. Teach him all the right things to do.
You need to drink your water, man. Have a bite of banana. You know, banana. Oh, I can just see the eyes going all over every time when you move. Do you see your brother watching you? He's watching every little movement you make. Every single thing you do. Learning about new beer. Yeah, you're sleepy. You're silly.
Val, what are you looking at?
You're watching the fork every time the fork moves. Why are you zapping? Have another bite of chicken, please. You're doing a great job with your dinner run.
Valentino. Tickle, tickle. He just won't take his eyes off his brother.
Yeah, I love you.